Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunray FS. My name is Leah Sunray. Today we'll quickly do the market analysis for this morning. You can see that markets make a huge rejection on DXY. DXY keys this level that's trying trying to retest for some time now, and also gold is currently giving us a very good bearish engulfing candle, which I told you that if market close on this level on daily time frame, that will signify that gold wanted to go down. I hope you guys saw my weekly forecast this week. You saw my weekly forecast. So gold is doing good. So we look to enter the market. This section we look to enter the market. So don't forget, I spoke about this trend line. I spoke about this trend line. My weekly forecast video. I spoke about this trend line, and then the trend line has really been broken and closed below now. Oh wow, closed below it. Market retested 3380, then come down to 3359. So I still believe that now that the market is about to break, I'm expecting market to break to go further. I'm expecting market to go down a little bit further to break this low. So when market break that low, we look for a retest back here, and then we are going to enter from somewhere here. That's going to be my next line of action. So I'm back. So waiting for market to close below this low. If market actually close below this low, it's a good thing for us if market close below this low. If market close below this low, it's a good thing for us. All we need to do is to look for below this low. The market retrace backward 50 this for the entire move, and then we actually enter for sell, and that particular sell will cover this NFP gap. So we may likely have this move today during the New York session. We may likely have the same move today during the New York session. So be expecting the market. So let's go to another pair. Let's go to GU. You can see that Great Britain Pounds USD, like I told you in my weekly Forex forecast. So if you have not seen my weekly Forex forecast, kindly go and check it. The week just started. Go and check my weekly Forex forecast so that you can know what to expect in all these pairs this week. Go and see my weekly Forex forecast. I told you guys that this particular level is very bad for GU, because market reclaimed this level, and then until we see a daily close below this level, we might not literally be able to do anything on GU. And you can see that the first few hours of this week, you can see that market is currently hovering above that same level that I told you. Market is currently hovering above this level I told you. So on a 4 hours time frame, so market can still go a little bit further to cover this gap. Market can still go a little bit further to cover this little gap, and from there we can begin to see market coming down. Coming down. So that's that about that. Let's go to another pair and see what market is doing in the early hours of today. So this is currently the EU Euro USD. I still have much interest in this pair because it's a little bit weak now. I have some interest. So let's check it. So let's check the EU. EU has been becoming weak these days. Okay, you can see that EU have this inside bar. The market on Thursday formed a doji, while the market on Friday formed an inside bar with the market on Thursday. So like I explained in my midweek analysis, we may begin to see a close below this low, and then if we see a close below this low and this high, so it goes the market to come back and kiss this level. So we might have a little pullback before market go down. So let's keep our eye on GU. In all this market, I think the one that already take a decision is gold. Gold has already choose a direction now. Gold has already choose its own direction. So this one, they are still ranging. They are not good to buy or sell now. So for the meantime, we are still going to wait for the market to do its thing. Okay, let's go to NCDUSD. Go to NCDUSD. This NCDUSD is still very much. NCDUSD is looking so. It's giving us signal already. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Don't forget that in 4 hours, I told you guys, market needs to fill this place. on 4 hours time frame, you can see this particular spot that I have my this particular spot that my I have my this particular spot that I have my lighted. So market has a gap to cover from here, from this place to this place. Market has a gap to cover from here to here. So that means market can range a little bit and find its way up here before we can see a dramatic pull to the downside. So guys, you still need to wait for market to do its own thing. We have never seen a good reversal pattern from this pair. We have not seen a good reversal pattern from this pair. So you need to be very careful shorting this particular pair now. You need to be very careful shorting it now. So you need to be very careful shorting it now. So I'm expecting market to go up at least to this level. This level is a very critical level on NU. You can see from here, market close above here, close below here, close above, close below. So this particular market has never retested this level. So I think we need to wait a bit before we can start shorting NU. So all you need is a good trade that gives you risk reward. So you don't need to be rushing market. So if opportunity does not present itself, don't force the market. If opportunity does not present itself, do not force the market. Do not force the market if opportunity does not present itself. Do not force yourself to trade. Okay, let's go to the next pair, the twin brother of NU. Let's go to and see it. I did analysis on this too on my weekly forex forecast. I did analysis on this, and something that interests me in this pair is how it moves recently. I currently say that if a market moves so choppy like this, you see a market moving so you see a market moving so like this, and that means you can still go down sharply. So and recently you can see that market is trying to build a momentum to go down. So in that case, we need to wait for market to give us a very good reversal pattern. Part of the things I did in my weekly forex forecast is placing Fibonacci retracement on this high and this low. So if you put Fibonacci retracement on this high and this low, you can see that market is currently a little few pips below 50% Fibonacci retracement. So market can reverse at this level. Market can reverse at this level, but we still need to see very good reversal pattern before we can be able to sell. So you can see this is a bearish engulfing followed by another bullish candle. So market is not ready yet to go down. So what can we connect together? Maybe if we connect these lows, so maybe market will kiss this trend line, then go back up. You see, just as the same as AU and EU, market has not this gap. So market can cover this gap from here to here before actual movement to the downside. So you have to wait for the market to do its thing before you can actually start selling this market. So that's G shape. So also G shape has been trending upward. I told you guys that the particular level on 4 hours need to revisit before we can be able to expect. Yes, I spoke about this level. The market needs to revisit that level before we can be able to expect anything from the market. And then market is trying to revisit the level now. Market will. So you can see now market will need to revisit this level. Market needs to revisit this level before anything will come up in the market. I think one thing I like about this pair is the fact that if you wanted to trend, it tends to trend without so much pullback, which is very good for a swing trader. It's trending down, then like this, then this market start trending up. So this kind of market is actually good for someone that hold the trade. So throughout Friday, market was just ranging, and today market is going up again. I think Gravely Pounds is having a good run in the markets already. So all the Gravely Pounds pairs are still are still are still doing good in the market. But don't forget, we are still expecting market to come up to this level before we can see a dramatic pullback in the market. Before we can see a dramatic pullback in the market. So let's just be hopeful that market will turn around soon. Let's be hopeful that market will turn around soon. So our live trading on gold is coming today 1 p.m. West African time. 1 p.m. West African time. That's when we are going to have our live trading today. We are going to have our live trading today 1 p.m. West African time. 1 p.m. West African time. That's when we are going to have our live trading today. So guys, just wait for so wait for the updates. So I will set up the schedule now. After this live session, I will set up the schedule. So 1 p.m. West African time. So that will be our live trading. We may probably have one or two trades. On gold. We may probably have one or two trades. Okay, let's go to this pair. As you can see, Great Pounds, Japanese yen, just like other ones. So they are trying to make a reversal, but we still need to wait for something that will show that market is going down. Currently, you can see that this particular market has not closed below this level, and then if market close below that level, we need to see a move, maybe a move up to this break this level. Maybe this trend line will bounce it back, and then we may probably have a sell opportunity right here, or when market break the trend line, go down. Maybe when the market retests, we may have our opportunity to go down. So but Japanese yen is a little bit more stronger than CHF and then USD. You can see, so by trading this pair GU, GSHEF and GJ. So when we go to hours, you can see that Japanese yen is a little bit pushing the market on 2 hours. So this one, in the next 42 minutes, this one may close like a bearish engulfing on 2 hours. On 4 hours, by 10 o'clock, we can also have this one close by 10 o'clock. But this level is very, very important. You need to check this level. You need to check this level on you need to check this level 198.00 psychological level. Market has not retested this level, so this particular level can bounce back the market to go up, probably to make a top with this one or to do anything. So this market is not ready to short yet. We are not ready to short this market yet. So the only pair that is ready to go, according to my analysis, is gold. So gold is really doing something great now, but it's rejecting this level that I told you. Can you see the level, that guys? So gold is rejecting this level. Gold is rejecting this level, and until we have a close below this level, that's when we can be able to go short is in long time. But for now, Gold has already closed below the gold has already closed below the has already closed below this trend line. I spoke about this line in the past. Go close, retested the trend line, come down. So let's see how the market reacts with the trend line in the higher time frame. Market keys it, retested it 5 hours, in 12 hours. Okay, market will close in the next 1 hour 40 minutes, and 12 hours candle will print a very good bearish engulfing board, which is good. So we wait for market to retrace back our gain. We wait for the market to close backward. If market did not close below this line, this support, we are going to have a short sell. But if market close, we are going to sell and hold until market fill this NFP gap. We are going to hold until market fill this NFP gap. So that is all about that. So I will return back to my live stream by 1 p.m. today. I'll return back to this live stream. That will now be a live trading opportunity. So we're just doing market analysis to see what we expect in the US session. So probably US session will give us opportunity to sell. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, notification button. So don't forget to forward my link to this live stream. Don't forget to send it to your friends and your loved ones, so let them catch up with the live trading opportunity with gold by 1 p.m. West African time. So let's see what we expect from gold this afternoon. So we are going to trade gold really big. We are going to trade gold big time. So this thing. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. So see you in my live stream. See you in my live stream. See you soon in my live stream. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.